Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about the summation. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one I can put into number 3 to the power of 4 and number 3 to the power of negative number 7. This one we can put number 5 to the power of 3n and number 5 to the power of 2. So for this one, we can put 3 to the power of 4, everything to the power of n. And this one we do similar. So we calculate this one and this one. So we have 81. This one we have 125. So because they have the same n, so we can put like this. 3 to the power of negative number 7, 5 to the power of 2. We need to calculate, and this one we have 1 over 54,675. And now we can see that all in here, that is about 81 over 125. This value is smaller than number 1. So in this one we can use about the sum of geometric progression. So we need to find the first term, that is about a number 1. So I will put n equals to number 1 gone here. And that should be like this. And R, that is about this one. And now we can apply the formula in here. So I will put this one gone here and this one gone here. So we calculate this one and we have number 1 over 29,700, and that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.